of the world. Please welcome on stage, this is Anja Althaus. Ladies and gentlemen, Anja Althaus. To see this girl on stage because she was doing something incredible last week. She was winning the Champions League with Gjør. How does it feel still after 1 week?
Oh, it just feels amazing. I think I can still didn't find the right words for this. You know me. Normally I'm talking so much, but
this is true. Normally she's talking every second.
But to find the right word for this season and this incredible finish, it's just amazing.
And we have to tell the story because it really is a special story. Of course, all of you know it. Okay, let's enjoy. Let's enjoy these moments. It's so amazing to see how much the people love you. It's been the final between Skopje and Gjør, and it has been the same final like last year. Last year she was playing with Skopje. They were losing the final, and this year she was playing with Gjør, winning the final, and everything was fine again.
Yes, it was really special situation, and the finals was like a déjà vu. It was everything like it's a really tough game, and actually both teams was in the situation to win this. And in this year, Gjør wins again, and I was on this side, and I know so much how Vardar feels, and my heart is also with Vardar. I will go back and live there. So, but of course, I'm so proud to be a part of this team in Gjør because this team is amazing. We had a really tough season. We had so much injury. I also had a bad injury, but we just fight and stay together and make this incredible success.
And normally you wanted to finish your career already after the last final, so you said, okay, now I will be a mother, I will get a child, everything will be fine, no handball anymore. And then Gjør was calling, and I think there was no second that you were thinking about if you should go or not.
Yeah, in the first, of course, I say I finished, and I really wanted to make the next step in the life, but I also know you never know what's coming in the life, and then came the call of Gjør, and I say to our other offers which I had, I say no. But to Gjør, you don't say just no. It's like the cherry on the top in this moment. So, and yeah, the life had something more for me, and now I really finish.
Really? You promise?
I promise. I will turn off my phone. I will not take any kind of calls.
So was it the perfect way to end the career final, winning the third Champions League title of your life?
Yeah, for sure. I think what can be better? Like win the triple with Gjør. I had an amazing season with the amazing girls, which I love them so much, and also the club was so great. Everybody was taking me with open hands, and it's a perfect finish.
Sounds like that. And now it's time for the Men's Champions League Final Four. Are you crossing fingers for Skopje, or what do you think who will win the title?
Of course, I will cross the finger for Skopje. I think I was last year. I think I was here also last year, and it brings some kind of luck, I hope, and I was believing